It's bad timing.
Now our only concern is the weather, because the forecast is heavy snowfall and blizzards all the way through Bulgaria and part of Romania.
Driving in these conditions is risky business. Bulgaria and Romania have been hit by catastrophic snowstorm. The team fears for their own safety as well as for lion Ivan Asen. It will be up to the experienced Four Paws drivers to negotiate the icy conditions. They survived the storm and made it to the Bulgarian-Romanian border.
Our documents will be thoroughly examined, and I hope that authorities don't find any problem with them.
The lion attracts a lot of attention from border officials. The team needs their approval to get the bear bus and Ivan Asen through the gate.